All right, day 5, also known as the day that Ohio State takes on that team up north. Both undefeated. We'll see what happens. It's about 7:30. I'm heading down to get some coffee. 3 hours behind. Kickoff's around noonish, so like 9 a.m. kickoff here in Vegas. But it's going to be a great day. We're going to have a breakfast at Bouchon across the street, the Venetian, which I hear is fantastic. So come along with us. We'll try to make it happen. Heather's cocktail paid off with a royal flush.
I got royal flush.
The music is authentically great. Jose, our server, is amazing. All right, I am on a
Go on and spin that
max
wheel.
bet. Got the gold spin on Wheel of Fortune. Go ahead. Got the gold spin. Go on.
Love to see a big payout like that.
I hope we got more than that. Did we get more than that, or is that all we got? 75 quarters. That was it? That was it. We should get this guy. We got a special wheel and it was sour. Okay. All right. Heading out of the Mirage. It's a nice brisk November morning. We're heading across the street to the Venetian to meet Tom and Linda, have a little breakfast, and then it's game time. Say go Bucks, honey.
Go Bucks.
There's a special elevator for Bouchon,
Yes, there is.
and they get this special walkway.
There's the pool.
Okay. This better be a fancy breakfast. We get all this sconces of fire above us. Man, I'm excited. Tom, say hi to everybody out there. There's
Hi,
probably
everybody.
like
Make it happen with Don.
probably like 4 million people watching.
Yeah.
The lovely wife and the lovely sister-in-law. We are at Bouchon, and Buckeyes kickoff is going to happen right there. So we're going to get some breakfast before the game.
Leftover pastries at the end of the day.
Once in a while, there are some left over. We can, yes. But for the most part, a lot of them are taken down to the.
Okay, do cheers.
All right.
What's it to, Linda? Anything special?
Make it happen.
Oh,
Let's make it happen.
all right.
Right.
Oh, look at this.
That looks delicious.
Right down the middle. The kick is good. She's Danish.
This is a good looking breakfast table.
We got the all-American breakfast split. So I got half. And then Heather got half. And then they got the same thing. Linda got half. And then Tom got half. And it also came with that Danish. Give it a go. Try the eggs because Tom says how great they are. Yeah, yeah.
You're made with some kind of like French, like a
Creme
sour
de
cream.
fraiche.
Yes.
Creme de fraiche.
Creme de fraiche.
It's a French thing.
Oh, you're gonna love potatoes.
Did you know that French fries weren't invented in France?
Did not know that.
Yeah, they're made in
Fun
Greece.
fact.
They're made in Greece. Okay,
The bacon's perfect.
that's enough. Perfect bacon. All right, let's eat. Just sitting here and watching the Buckeyes at the Venetian Sports Club. All right, we got the afterburner bonus. Go ahead, honey. Do the honors. $10,000 grand. Come on. All right, now we want the afterburner. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. Come on, break those trees. Come on, times 10. Oh. $25. All right, we're heading back over to the Palazzo to meet Tom and Linda for dinner at Mott 32. Soup dumplings, shalom bao. We love it. Do you love it?
I love it. Very excited.
And what
Love soup
happens
dumplings.
after soup dumplings?
We're going to Resorts World.
And then we're gonna head down to Resorts World. Try our luck down there when we come back in December. I think we're gonna stay at Resorts World, so
Huh?
we're excited to see the new games. So let's make it happen. Okay, we are at Mott 32 in this fancy room. We got a corner booth. Let's make it happen. You only have to do that once. You don't have to do it every time.
But why not? Because it's
If we
you.
see you again,
Right, it's
All right. So let's cheers to Mott 32. Great customer service.
family, good health.
Family,
Yes,
good health.
family,
good health.
Good fortunes.
And machine to say luck has arrived. What did you get?
Don, this is a Peking duck old fashioned.
Okay.
How are you?
Oh, the food's coming.
Oh, yes, I'm
We're happy now.
Thank you for enjoying it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is this?
Marinated cucumbers.
Marinated
Cucumbers. It's very dark though. All right, back to the old fashioned, Tom.
This is made with a duck wash, and it's an old fashioned.
Do I want to know what a duck wash is?
No.
Is that what the duck swims in?
Yeah,
Is that a weird name for duck pee?
Could be.
Good.
that is.
The green beans with the Wagyu beef. What is this? Beef and broccoli? Beef and broccoli.
Wagyu beef and broccoli.
Okay.
It's great.
General sauce chicken.
It's the best.
Green
You guys had
beans.
this yet before?
Clay pot shrimp. Is that what this is?
Yep.
Look at this. All right. What's in there?
Looks like shallots.
Ooh, definitely.
Those shallots looks like garlic.
Oh. Now I must apologize for this, but unbeknownst to me, my camera did not record these soup dumplings. One of the most incredible things you can get at Mott 32 are these xiaolong bao soup dumplings. We got the spicy and we got the regular, but I didn't record it. It was totally my fault, and I apologize, but here's a clip from a previous trip where we ate at Mott 32 and did get these soup dumplings. I definitely want to include it, and I will include a link below so you can check it out in the full video review. This is one of those things that you just can't get anywhere. And to be honest, we look forward to going to Vegas just for soup dumplings. We get them at Din Tai Fung, we get them at Mott 32, and we're interested in going down to Chinatown to try some down there as well. But it would be a big mistake if I did not include this in the video. Mott 32 over at the Venetian Hotel at the Palazzo. Just a quick recap. The cucumbers were amazing. The green beans with Wagyu beef is a must-have. The beef and broccoli was amazing. We got some General Tso's chicken, and finally the shrimp clay pot. I mean, the soup dumplings, we got the hot and spicy, we got the regular. I'm going to include the receipt. It was a total of $238 for 4 people in a very fine dining, elegant meal, something that you'll never forget. Totally worth it. So that's Mott 32. And I couldn't leave without showing you the bathroom, because even the bathroom is amazing. All right. Made it to Resorts World. Nice little walk. Just to exhibit how out of shape I am. My watch is vibrating, telling me to quit.
Make it happen.
Quit working out. Yeah, you don't have to do that every time.
But it's so exciting. So
It's just
exciting.
it's just once. It's not authentic anymore.
I love you guys.
They're not going to buy it anymore.
You know, he was here.
Who?
To get
Not the
down
big
to-
guy.
To get down to Elon Musk.
This is enchanted.
Oh.
Back there. There it is.
We can. Is he down there?
The Vegas Loop.
He's not down there. He's running. He's cleaning up the Twitter.
Twitter.
Okay. I'm gonna get some holiday pictures here. Look at this. Alright. Alright, I got on the Golden Gong feature. 83 spins. Let's see what happens. Alright, every time I get that guy, every time that gongs, I win 662 gong again. There we go. Do it again. Alright, we got him again. Money increases. And in the gong. Gong again. No. Do it. Come on, gong fella. $22. 3 spins left. I need a gong fella. Oh. I need a gong fella. I don't get that. Do it. Oh, thank you for the spin. Do it. Where's he at? Oh, thank you for the spin. Where's he at? Oh, please give me a gong guy. One guy. No way. Sour. Grand Star Whelp. $2 bet. You ready? Big money. Big money. Big money. Big money. Bigger money. Oh, come on. All right, now what? Now, don't I get something special now, or that's it? Should be like a holding spin or something more, right? That's it? All right, $44. Yeah, I guess that was it. Okay. Got the free games. Choose my feature. What do I do? You pick it. Let's go with the star feature. 5 free games. Let's see what happens. We had a moon feature and a star feature. You know what stars? No stars on my feature. Do something. Be sticky stars. Sticky wilds. Do something sticky. Do I get the $1? No. Oh my gosh.
It's soft.
This is the last game and that was it?
Yeah.
That was not the right course, was it?
No.
Wow.
Sorry.
All right, I'm sorry, everybody. You had to watch that. Erase that from your memory. Sorry. Look at Heather got the bonus, and she picked the 8 free games. She's only bet 50 cents, and on her first spin, she got $87. Let's see what we get. Come on, do it again.
Right?
Oh, they couples.
I see.
They land as couples. Yes. Good.
That's pretty great though.
$89, pretty good.
50-cent bet.
Alright, I'm on some crazy big wheel game. Max bet at 375. I got 3 spins. Alright, looks like a lightning link. Alright, that goes up there, and it looks like I'm gonna get a multiplier. Last spins. Come on, give me big numbers. Extra spin. Alright, can I get a 20 times multiplier on this? Times. Go to 5, go to 5. Go to 5. Go to 5. Celebration. What is that? $125. Alright, that's crazy X-Wheel Supreme Dragon. Jackpot wheel this time. Come on, anything but the mini. Go to the grand. Get to the grand. $27 minus. Okay. Not bad. Alright, I got 10 free games, 2-cent denomination, $1.76 bet on this crazy frog fellow. I got some spins. Points go up. See if the frog does anything.
10 times more. All right. I need the Flintstone sound. The boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes. Right now, get 3 in. Last spin, I need something big here. Good. Yes. Give me that major. Grab that major. Come on, ribbon it. All right. $212. Excellent. Give me a point show or something. Oh. I don't know what happened, but I got a big coin feature. Let's go. Win the grand. $5,600. Stop. All right. Another one. I love this frog. I may take him home. I can still win the grand. Not the minor. Not 2 times. Keep going. Okay? Oh. Do it again. Do it again. Got a 4 gong trigger. 16 free games. Come on. That's what we need to play. Oh. We need those coins and then multipliers. Come on. Multipliers. Come on. Oh, go, 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 go. Get those coins and 3 multipliers. That's where the money's at. All right. 7 more. Come on. No, dead spinning. Give me one good one. Not as good as I hoped. And then I went away. Very next backup spin, I triggered it again. It's got to be better this time, right? Look, you get multipliers there. You get 2 of those and then multiply, multiply, multiply. Or 3 of them. There's potential. Come on. The multipliers, please. 6 more. There we go. One last big one. All right, maybe one more big one. Okay, there it is. All right, we're gonna cap this trip off at Diablo Cantina. We did pretty good at the casino, so we're gonna treat ourselves to a little bit of Mexican food. Well, you ready? We just ordered up some queso pandido and some chicken taquitos. Mott 32 was a home run today. Resorts World Casino doesn't get any better. They have all the new games. Lots of people in there, but it never seems crowded because it's so nicely set up. In fact, in December, we're going to stay there when we come back. So we're going to get something to eat real quick. Thanks for sticking around with us. Queso Bandito. Oh man, that looks so good. Taquitos. Back to the queso bandito. Look at This food is ridiculously good. The music is authentically great. Jose, our server, is amazing. Do you agree?
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando.
All right, that's going to be it. We're at the Las Vegas airport, heading back to Ohio. It was a great trip. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up with all of our adventures. We're coming back in a few weeks, actually, in December. So we're going to do it all over again. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.